Hello everyone, welcome to today's fascinating journey into the universe. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what those twinkling lights are? Today we are going to talk about stars, the celestial wonders that light up our universe. Let's explore what stars are, how they form, their benefits, and the essential roles they play in our universe. So, what are stars? Stars are massive glowing spheres of hot gases, primarily hydrogen and helium. They are powered by nuclear fusion, a process that occurs in their cores where hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, releasing immense amount of energy in the form of light and heat. This is why stars shine so brightly. Stars are born in enormous clouds of gas and dust called nebula. So here is the process. First one is gravitational pull. Gravity causes the gas and dust to collapse and condense into a dense core. Protostar stage. As the core becomes denser, it heats up and forms a protostar and nuclear fusion. Once the temperature and pressure at core reach critical levels, nuclear fusion begins and a star is born. This process can take millions of years, and the result is a luminous object shining in the universe. What benefits do stars provide? Stars are the lifeblood of the universe and their benefits are numerous. Their benefits are: first one, life on earth. Our sun, a star, provides a energy needed for life. It warms the planet, drives weather systems and power photosynthesis. And second one, cosmic recycling centers. When stars die, they release elements like carbon, oxygen and iron into space, which are crucial for forming new stars, planet and even life. Navigation and exploration. Historically, stars have been used for navigation and guiding travelers across oceans and deserts. So, what is the role of star in universe? Stars play a fundamental role in the structure and evolution of universe. First role is galactic formation. Stars make up galaxies. Their gravitational pull binds galaxies together, shaping their structure. Light up the cosmos. Stars illuminate the universe, making it visible to us. And third benefit is creating new elements. Stars act as a factories for heavier elements through nuclear fusion. These elements are essential for creating planets, moons, and even the building blocks of life, driving the cosmic cycle from their birth to their explosive death as supernova. Stars fuel the continuous cycle of creation and destruction in the universe. So, what happens when stars die? When stars exhaust their fuel, their fate depends on their mass. Small stars, they cool down to become white dwarfs, and massive stars, they explode in supernova, leaving behind neutron stars or black holes. These explosions spread elements across space, seeding the universe with materials needed for new stars and planets. So, when the stars die, they can cause of creating the black holes also. So, conclusion, what is the conclusion? Stars are more than just beautiful twinkles in the night sky. They are the building blocks of the universe, the source of energy for life, and the key to understanding cosmic mysteries. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember they are the universe storytellers revealing secrets that span billions of years.